Alright, so as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos or the last videos, I just got done doing a disc brake swap. Pinche sol. There you go. Disc brake swap. CPP brackets for my 66 Impala. And I bought this thing to pack the bearings. Those are the bearings that I gotta put on it. And again, I'm not sponsored by nobody. This is just me buying more tools for my toolbox, pretty much. So I've never used one of these before. Hopefully I know how to use it. I don't want to look stupid on camera. But we're gonna try and use it right now. I'm gonna have my brother record and we'll get to it. So I'll get my gloves. Well, that's the part number for anybody that wants to order it. Samira? Yeah?
Yep.
And here we go. Oh, that's horrible. Horrible. This is just a cap to cover it. So. Alright, now I'm assuming I gotta put some of that in here. Don't want to get that dirty. That would be horrible. Oh well. How the fuck do I do this?
Yeah, you gotta seal around the push thing. Should be right. Pues casi se lo vas a echar todo, ¿no?
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's messy. Need more? Everything's going in.
It's the first time it's messy.
Damn, the guy's still going.
Mm-hmm.
That's everything. Damn it. I'm glad I bought one of these. Get the rim. Ah! Yes! Recording the video, you're in it now.
What?
Recording the video, you're in it now. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Más te quedó el anillito arriba.
Clean that up now too. This is my first time using this. I don't know how to use it. I've never used one before, so I'm just showing you guys as I go, learning too. So. There you go. Another glove. I don't want to get messy.
Mm-hmm.
up in personal. So here we go. So these are brand new bearings. That's it. Let me do the little ones first. That'll be easy. Here we go. I guess you just press. ¿Sí miras? ¿Sí se mira?
Oh yeah.
Damn, press pretty damn hard. Yeah, you gotta press hard.
Oh, they're going. No, they're packing.
I don't break the little table.
It's packed. Look.
Yeah, they make it look easier.
Mira.
So yeah, look at it. Starts coming up to the top. So what I'm assuming just put some on the sides too. Right. That's one. The other little one. Thought it was gonna be easier. No mames.
Ponte más a la esquina para que pongas más presión en vez de en medio.
Yeah. Está bien.
Oh, déjaselos caer pues. I meant more this way, towards the leg.
Oh, we go through the table. We go through the table. All right, number 2. Wiggle, wiggle. All right, that's number 2.
It works good though.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
No, it actually literally packs it. Mira.
Nice. Just use the excess. Just use it on the little rollers. That's actually pretty cool. Right, the little ones were easy. Because if you can see, the holes are in the middle. Right? The little ones line up right on it. But these are bigger. And the holes are on the side. So we'll see how that... How's that going to work?
I don't know.
I don't think it's going to work. Oh, it is? Oh, okay.
You gotta center it para que.
Yeah, you got to center it.
There it goes. There it is.
Yeah, it does work.
That's nice.
Alright. I was mistaken.
Yeah, it works. It's packed.
Yeah, shit. Alrighty, so it does work. Just... They're right here in the backyard with me. ¿Dónde está Lala, baby?
¿Y Lala? ¿Y Lala? Allá para lento.
No, ahorita vamos a checar. That's number 2. No?
It works good. You just gotta center it.
Here goes number 4. You gotta press hella hard though. Make it look easier. There's number 4. And it just, damn, that's nice. I mean, it's still a little messy, but not as much as,
Doing by hand.
it just goes quicker to packing them. Nice. Just put some on the rollers and the outers. There you go. Wait. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you want to use this packer, that's the part number. Works pretty good, if you ask me. So, how the hell am I gonna cover it now?
Así, ya nomás con que se tape esa.
So this screws onto that part. Once you're done with it, screws onto it. Oh, mira pendejo. It's got a little nipple right there so you can add the grease. Damn, see? You guys learned. That's how I learned.
Oh, you use the other greaser. The
Yeah,
grease
you
gun.
use a gun and throw it in there.
But it's still working. It's still
I
working.
mean, it still works. Learn as you go. And this just screws into it. See? Use a cover.
That's it.
That's it. Alright guys, so there you go. Easy way to pack your bearings. Light mess. A lot quicker than doing it yourself by hand. So thank you for watching. Come back to the channel, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.